Welcome to the spookiest episode of your culinary adventure. Today, our animated chef Duey CK and his wisecracking sidekick Peppy the Peppermill are here to treat you with a recipe for scrumptious pumpkin cookies paired with spine-chilling Halloween legends. First, gather your ingredients. 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 cup of canned pumpkin, 1 cup of sugar, and a half cup of butter, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a bowl, mix the dry ingredients, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon. In another bowl, blend the wet ingredients, pumpkin, sugar, butter, egg, and vanilla. Combine the dry and wet mixtures until smooth. Drop spoonfuls onto a baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. While those cookies bake to perfection, let's dive into the history of Halloween. The origins trace back to the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain, where people lit bonfires and wore costumes to ward off ghosts. The tradition of trick-or-treating dates back to the All Souls' Day parades in England, where the poor would beg for food, and families would give them pastries called soul cakes. Today's pumpkin cookies are a sweet nod to these eerie beginnings. So enjoy your delicious cookies, and remember, every bite is a taste of history.